So students, we can say that Belgian constitution is a model constitution of any federal state or any democratic state, and Belgian government, it is ruling the state in an organized manner, and it is managing in a nice way, and it is going well, it is doing well. But there is difference between Indian constitution and Belgian constitution, because just now I told you that Indian constitution is neither so rigid, neither so liberal. It has adopted a middle path so that time to time amendment can be taking place. The same it is happening in Belgium also. You have noted down the year, 4 times amendment has been taking place between this and that. I am not going to tell you. You have to memorize the years. So accordingly, Belgium as a federal state, it is doing well, and it has become a model. And this model of the constitution, it can avoid civic strife or conflict between the states or between the ministers. So the procedure is well adopted and well practiced, so that they can avoid civic strife. Strife means any conflict, struggle, that is called strife, or any friction or conflict. So guys, this is today's lesson. The heading you have noted down already. The heading, chapter number 1, political science, power sharing, in your NCERT book. You have already noted down or written the definition, or what do you understand, or what do you mean by, what is meant by power sharing, the question number 1 already. So on the basis of today's lecture, I am going to give you 4 more questions. Already the question number 1, it has been solved by me. I have already told you the answer, and the rest 4 questions you note down. That is, but you write question number 1. You start as question 1. What are 3 departments? What are 3 departments of power sharing? What are 3 departments of power sharing? Question 2. Name the languages those are practiced in Belgium. Name the languages those are practiced in Belgium. And question number 3. What is community government? What is community government? And question 4. How many times Belgian constitution is amended? How many times Belgian constitution is amended, and between which year? And between which year? So students, this much for the day. You will answer all these questions, the 4 questions. First question already it has been noted down, which was dictated by me when I started teaching today. So you answer these 4 questions, memorize all the points accordingly. So till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.